You've finished your jar of pickles, and you're staring at that leftover brine. What do you do with it? Throw it out? Let's ramble about it. Welcome to Shep Rambles, where I am Shep and I tend to ramble. About what? Anything and everything. Pickles are great. Some like dill pickles, some like sweet pickles. Then you've got those oddballs who enjoy both, like myself. Well, did you know that the leftover pickle brine is like a hidden treasure in your kitchen? Like liquid gold. According to April McGregor, a fermenting pro and chef, pickle brine is essentially a magical blend of salt, acid, and spices, which make it perfect for all sorts of kitchen creativity. Let's take a look and go over 5 ways you can make your leftover pickle juice work for you. Number 1, make more pickles. Yes, you can totally reuse that brine to make a new batch of quick pickles. Just don't use it for canning. Remember, safety first. But for fresh, fridge-style pickles, the brine is perfect. You'll need to tweak it with a little extra salt or vinegar after a few uses, but it's great for cucumbers and other veggies like carrots, which hold up better after a second soak. Number 2. Whisk it into a tangy dressing. Alright, skip the lemon juice or vinegar and use pickle brine for your next salad dressing. McGregor's secret family recipe calls for a combo of pickled red pepper brine and mayonnaise. And some people don't like mayonnaise, like my wife, so the Miracle Whip might work. I don't know. But anyway, dill pickle brine works wonders too. Drizzle it over coleslaw, potato salad, or even roasted potatoes with butter for a zesty twist. Number 3, use it like hot sauce. Imagine pickle brine as a non-spicy hot sauce. It's got that acidic punch without the heat. Splash it into soups, stews, scrambled eggs, tacos, or even greens to give your dish a flavor boost. McGregor's favorite quick dip is tahini and pickle brine. Just throw in some herbs and you've got yourself a snack. Number 4, brine meat for maximum flavor. Next time you're making chicken or turkey, use pickle brine as a marinade. McGregor recommends adding buttermilk to tone down the tang if you're not into that strong vinegar taste. Let the meat soak for a few hours, no more than 12 hours, and get ready for a juicy, tender result. Now, pro tip, use it for crispy fried chicken for that punch of flavor. And number 5, add it to your cocktail. Pickle brine isn't just for food. It's a cocktail secret weapon. Swap out the lemon juice and a Bloody Mary with pickle brine for an extra kick, or try it in a dirty martini in place of olive juice. And if you're feeling adventurous, a pickleback, not nickelback, it's pickle brine chased by whiskey, it's always a good time. So, what do you do with your pickle brine? Do you make use of it, or do you just throw it out? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, consider leaving a like, because it truly does help the pickling process. Clicking subscribe and the notification bell means that you can be part of the KILR Awesome community, and you'll get notified of other fun and informative videos uploaded to the channel. Hey, you never know, we might do a video for one of my other shows and do something with pickle brine. You never know, so you might want to, subscribe so that way you get that notification. Thanks for watching, and have a killer awesome day.